Hello, I'm Justin with Liquid Web. A Python virtual environment is a convenient way to keep the dependencies associated with a given project encapsulated. Today, we are going to take a look at how to get a virtual Python environment set up on an Ubuntu 18.04 LTS server. Before we get started, there are a couple of things to note. I'm running these commands as the root user. Also, all of the commands and the Python snippet we will run later in this tutorial are in the video description. First, let's make sure everything is up to date. apt-get update-y. After that, we are going to install the Python venv module by running apt-get install-y python3-venv. Once that finishes up, let's make a directory for our Python project and change into it. mkdir awesome_python_project cd awesome_python_project. Now it's time to create the virtual environment. python3-m venv awesome_venv. After that, we need to activate it by running source awesome_venv/bin/activate. We can see that the command prompt now has the name of the virtual environment preceding it. Next, we are going to update a couple of packages within the virtual environment by running pip install -U setuptools pip. That's it. Now that the virtual environment is ready, we can test it out with a simple Python script. First, let's install the Python module termcolor. Pip install termcolor. Run the command cat ~left angle bracket capital EOF ~, hello_colors.py. Your command prompt should now be an angle bracket. Copy out the Python snippet from the video description, paste it into the terminal, and hit enter. Now let's run the script by running python hello_colors.py. You should see hello printed out 9 times in different colors. Finally, let's deactivate the virtual environment by running the command deactivate. To verify that the termcolor package we installed is only available to our virtual environment, let's quickly drop into a Python shell by running the command python3. After that, we can try to import termcolor by entering import termcolor and hitting enter. Unless you've previously installed termcolor via pip on your system's Python, you should see output like mine, indicating the module hasn't been found. That's all there is to it. You now know how to install the venv module and how to create, activate, work within, and deactivate a virtual Python environment. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our knowledge base at liquidweb.com/kb or our YouTube channel at youtube.com/user/liquidwebinc.